All, welcome to One Saka Academy. We wish you a very happy learning. In this session, we will explain how to create consumption CDS views. Consumption CDS views are used to define data models that are consumed by applications. They can be based on basic or composite CDS views. Let us create one consumption CDS view.
I'll be creating the consumption CDS view on top of the composite CDS view created earlier. The composite CDS view was created on top of basic CDS view. Now we are going to create consumption CDS view on top of composite CDS view. The process of creating the CDS view remains the same. You can go to core data services, click on new data definition, give the name of your consumption view. Give a proper description. Click on next. Choose the transport request. Click on next. Select define view. Click on finish. Here I keep writing the consumption CDS view details. The consumption view that it will be taking data from. So my composite view name is this. So I'll be using it. Copy the composite view and choose as select data from the composite view. And you can see give an alias. So for make it easy to write the different fields and give the SQL view name. This is the first thing that you do. SQL view. Now I have written the code. You can see two different things here, like the view type, annotation, VDA view type, consumption view, just to identify that CDS view is a consumption view. Another annotation, OData publish equal to true if you want to expose this CDS view as an OData service. And other two annotation you can find like field group position and identification position. Basically, I'm going to use the CDS view to create OData. Later on, that OData service that will be used by UI5 and Fiori applications. So let's try to understand what is these two new annotations that is introduced here is field group. Field group basically groups together for a specific purpose or a layout in the UI. What this annotation used to logically group fields, to organize fields into different sections or tags in the UI. It will help to improve the overall structure and the usability of the applications. Similarly, if you want to see that UI identification position is just the purpose is to specify the position of that attribute in the UI. It controls the placement or ordering of the fields in the user interface. How a particular field should appear, where it should appear in the header or detail of the Fiori applications. Let me save this composite CDS view, activate it. Let's see the data. Click on data preview. You can see the data. And this is how we create one consumption view. So consumption view is on the top of composite view, and we have introduced few new annotations here. OData publish to publish this CDS view consumption view to be used by UI5 and Fiori applications. And the view type we have given as consumption. If you see the composite view, the view type we gave as composite. And basic view is not required. By default is basic. If you want to make the view as composite view, you mention it here, view type composite. And if you want to make it is a consumption view, mention that VDM view type as consumption. and any other annotation that you want to use. If you want to publish it as OData service, you can use these annotations. Another two annotation, UI identification is the position where this UI element should come, and field group identification, which field group should come. And other two annotations we are very clear, like the SQL view name. That's the first annotation that we must give the SQL view name before activating the CDS view.
Consumption CDS views are designed for consumption by other applications or reporting tools. They provide a tailored view of the data, hiding complexity and unnecessary details for the consumer. Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. If you find the session useful, please leave a comment for us, like and do subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions.